In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a Proton Mail account. So, just like you create a Google account which is owned by Google, you can create a Proton account which is owned by the Proton. So, to create a Proton account, first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Proton Mail, sign up just like this, and just head over to the first link which appears over here. So, which is the official website link of Proton. So, inside Proton, you will get a bunch of different options such as your paid version or free version. So under the paid version, if you choose multiple paid versions such as your Mail Plus version, Proton Unlimited version, Proton Duo version, you get a bunch of features such as this. So in this example, there is more than 500 GB of storage available, which is one of the features of the Proton Unlimited version. So on the Proton Duo, you can get more than or around 1 TB of storage, and up to 2 users can use it the same account. So you get bunch of features. So based on your choice, you can choose from over here as well. So for now, I'll simply tap on this free version of it option over here. So simply select it. Now once you're inside here, all you have to do is just enter your username which you would like to be registered as a Proton. So I'll simply enter my username just like this. And once you enter your username, just enter your password. And if it's already used, that means if your name is already used, just try to give a unique name. And as you can see, it's verified over here. So that means this name hasn't been used before. So make sure you do the same for you. So I'll simply enter my password for now. And just enter your confirmation password as well. And once you do that, just tap on this Start Using Proton Mail Now button over here. And it might ask you for the premium version. So for now, I'll simply click on no thanks. If you want, you may go with it as well. And now it might give you a captcha for human verification. So you can also choose the option for email. So enter your email over here and get a verification code. Or for now, I'll simply use the captcha. So it's pretty simple. So you just have to check this box over here. That is to complete the captcha puzzle. And just like that, your Proton Mail account will be successfully created. Now it might ask you for the display name, so we can basically choose in like this, or we can also customize it accordingly. So for now, I'll simply keep this in and simply click on continue. So it might ask you for the recovery method. If you want a recovery method with your phone number or email address, you can always enter it over here. So for now, I'll simply tap on maybe later and simply click on confirm. And just like that, you will have successfully created your Proton Mail account. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.